learners. Hey Group 6, this is Miss Schwartz here, ready to do our initial spelling deck. So, make sure again that you are actually in your writing position, which is similar to your listening learning, except that you should have in front of you a dry erase board, marker, and eraser, or you could have any type of blank paper and any writing utensil you want, whether it's a pencil, a marker, a crayon. So now remember, up on the board when you see Miss Schwartz, I will be holding the marker a different way. Key things to remember: that your feet are on the floor and that your paper is positioned where if you're right-handed, that has your writing utensil, your left hand's on top so it does not move. If you are left-handed, that just switches. Your paper shifts to the right, pencil in the left, and your right hand is holding the top of the paper. Remember, every time we write, we have our arrow drawn on our surface. So, how this will be different today is Miss Schwartz will say the sound, I will point to you, you will echo the sound, name the letter. I will give you 3 seconds, then I will name the letter and write it, and you can check your work. So, here we go. A. A. If you have a dry erase board, you can erase. If you're writing with pencil and paper, just draw another arrow below. D. 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 Erase or draw your next arrow. Ng. Ng. Digraph. NG. N. G. Erase or draw your next arrow. Z. Z. S. Z. S. Erase, draw your next arrow. I. I. Erase, draw your next arrow. P. P. Erase, draw your next arrow. G. 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 Erase, draw your next arrow. Last one for today. N. N. In. In. Good job. Erase. And that is all for Spelling Deck for today. See you tomorrow.